Let us all remember, as we serve witness to today's ceremony, that the vows taken hold great importance, just as they did for those before us. As individuals, we make the choice to enter in the union of marriage in order to share all aspects of ourselves with our soulmate. Today, this is true for Jason and Kelly.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard. And it's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. Not so many things we got to do, or places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. We're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together.
When Jason and Kelly first met in 2013, it was at the place that is their version of the show Cheers. The place where everyone knows your name, Keith's Reef. As they continued to hang out at the Reef more, playing darts and volleyball, sharing drinks and laughs, their friendship grew. Kelly enjoyed Jason's dry sense of humor, his work ethic, and that he was a great listener, because she did most of the talking. Jason was drawn to Kelly's then beautiful brown hair, her brown eyes, her laugh, and her outgoing nature. It is time to join hands and state your declaration of intent. Jason Martins, before your family and friends, do you intend to take Kelly Kucharski as your beloved wife, to have and to hold, through laughter and sadness, through challenges and successes, from this day forward?
I do.
Kelly Kucharski, before your family and friends, do you intend to take Jason Martins as your beloved husband, to have and to hold, through laughter and in sadness, through challenges and successes, from this day forward?
I do.
I, Jason Martins, take you, Kelly Kucharski,
I, Jason Martins, take you, Kelly Kucharski,
to be my wife and forever life partner,
to be my wife and forever life partner,
and to love you with my whole heart.
and to love you with my whole heart.
I vow to make you laugh and make you happy.
I vow to make you laugh and to make you happy.
My dreams are your dreams,
My dreams are your dreams,
as we build this life together.
as we build this life together.
Our lives are forever together as one,
Our lives are forever together as one,
from this day on.
from this day on.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I vow that you will never face the world alone,
I vow that you never face the world alone,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I, Kelly Kucharski, take you, Jason Martins,
I, Kelly Kucharski, take you, Jason Martins,
to be my husband and forever life partner,
to be my husband and forever life partner,
and to love you with my whole heart.
and to love you with my whole heart.
I vow to make you laugh and make you happy.
I vow to make you laugh and make you happy.
My dreams are your dreams
My dreams are your dreams
as we build this life together.
as we build this life together.
Our lives are forever as one
Our lives are forever as one
from this day on.
from this day on.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I vow that you will never face the world alone
I vow that you will never face the world alone
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Jason Martins and Kelly Kucharski, by the power vested in me in the Universal Life Church in McHenry County, Illinois, I happily pronounce you husband and wife. Jason, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time as a married couple, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Kelly Martins. You're up.
Oh, thinking about our younger years, it was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, pick you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing can change what you mean to me. Oh, this lights it
We
up.
are here today to celebrate Jay and Kelly on their wedding day. Jay, Kelly, here we are, all together. Kelly, before Kristen and I actually met you, we heard all about you. And if you know Jay, you know how tricky it may be to start up a conversation with him, because every question you ask him is answered with, I don't know. But when we asked Jay about Kelly, he told us a lot. And that kind of told us he likes this girl. Then we got to meet Kelly. As you already know, she's awesome. Kelly is like most of us Italian ladies. She's outgoing, social, loud, and we have big personalities. And Jay, well, Jay is not so much of those things. Jay is quiet, strong, silent, reserved, enjoys being in the crowd but not the center of the crowd. Well, you know what they say about opposites, and I think it works perfectly.
You two are the perfect couple, and you are absolutely meant to be together. You balance each other out, you bring out the best in one another, and most importantly, you love each other unconditionally. Kelly, we couldn't ask for a better sister-in-law. Who knew these Martins men had a thing for Italian women? Thank you for being you. We love you so much.
Jay isn't the guy to make a big deal out of many things he has accomplished in life, but he's very humble. He's celebrating a big way to show off his beautiful bride, Kelly. He may not say so much, but with Jay, his heart is on his sleeve. He cannot hide his big smile that lights up his face when Kelly comes in. But the time has finally come. You are now officially our sister. Welcome to our family.
I love you both. Jay, you give anybody your shirt off your back. You are that kind of guy. I love you. Kelly, you are perfect for him. And may your marriage not be short and sweet. May it last forever. I love you guys.
Congratulations, welcome to the family. To the Martins.
Oh, once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, pick you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing can change what you mean to me. Oh, there's lots that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause I love her like the way. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard